Hi friends, welcome to today's video. I promised in the previous video where we actually looked at how to create a well detailed YouTube channel for your business. Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to upload a good video on your channel, taking into consideration the 4 important components that need to be put in place so as for your video to be able to rank well on YouTube. Alright, now we're going to be looking at first, good title, good video description, good thumbnail, and good keywords. That means for your video to be able to rank well on YouTube, you must have a very good title for that video, you must have a good video description, you must have good thumbnail, and you must have good keyword. Alright, what does a good YouTube video title have? Now, to write a good YouTube video title, it must include 4 important components, which are your keywords, your power words, and your video length. Alright, let's look at the first one, which says the keyword. It says every YouTube video has a keyword that you are trying to make it rank. Now, these keywords must be searched for using a professional keyword tool. I'm going to introduce to you different keyword tools that we're going to be using to check for the right keywords to use for a particular video based on the title of the video and what the video is all about. Alright, note, make sure that the keyword you choose is clearly related to your topic and is relatively easy to rank for. Now, choosing a title is very important. Let's assume I'm creating a video that has to do with how to upload good videos on YouTube, and so every keyword I'm going to be using must be centered around how to create a good video that would rank well on YouTube. So that's what this is actually talking about. Alright, this keyword must be used in your title. Note, whatever keyword you're using in your keyword section must also be used in your title. How do I mean? That means your title, which is a long tail keyword, must also be contained in your keyword section. Alright, let's look at the power words. What are power words? Power words, grabbing the user's attention is crucial to encourage him to click on your video. Very necessary. That's why your video title must include power words for more clicks and higher click-through. Moreover, this will eventually lead to better overall SEO performance. Alright, video length. In general, YouTube allows you to write titles containing up to 100 characters. But I will tell you, it is not advisable to use titles which are up to 100 characters. But most research engines, will show you only 70 characters. Therefore, making sure that your title doesn't go beyond 70 characters, so the user can read it. For example, I want to put a title like how to create good video on YouTube, how to upload a good video on YouTube for better SEO. Very short video titles. You try as much as possible to make sure your video title is short as possible, so as to allow the user read it easily. Now, if your title has 3 components, there will be a big chance for it to rank on the first page of search engines. However, you can save some time and effort by using YouTube AI title generator. Alright, let's dive into the practical section of what we just checked about. Now we'll be looking at the first section that has to do with what? The good title. How do we get a good title? Alright, let's dive back into our YouTube. Now remember, this was where we stopped in our previous video. We were able to create the YouTube channel, we were able to upload our profile image, we were able to upload our banner image, we were able to do some customization like writing up the description and adding up some other information about our business. Alright, today we're going to be looking at creating a video now and also uploading the video to our YouTube for users to be able to find us. Now, the first thing you need to do is to get a video that you're going to be uploading. Remember, I said from when I was actually teaching how to create a channel, I told you that you must choose a niche for yourself. If you want to be a YouTuber, you have to choose a niche. Your niche has to do with that thing which you believe you know how to do well, that you actually want to share ideas, you want to share the knowledge with people, you want to teach people how to do this. So that's going to be your niche. For example, I'm a digital marketer, so my niche is training on digital marketing. If you know how to cook, your niche could be catering. If you know how to bake, your niche could be baking. If you know how to sew, your niche could be sewing. If you know how to fish, your niche could be fishing. So alright, let's assume this channel has to do with what? Digital marketing as well. So, and let's say my first video has to do with how to create a YouTube channel, which I already have a video about that. So the first thing I'm going to do, I need to go make a research on the title of that video. Alright, I'm going to be introducing you to this tool which is called H Supertools. It's called H Supertools. Now, for you to be able to use this tool, all you just need to do is to go into your browser and type H-Supertools. H.Supertools, then you click on enter. Alright, it automatically brings you into a page called H Supertools. So for you, you have many other things you can actually do on H Supertools. It's a very good website. I will encourage you to always make use of this website for your YouTube title generator and also your keywords generator. Alright, the first thing you must do is for you to log in into these H Supertools. So present already I have an account with them, so all I just need to do is to click on sign in. But if you're starting off for the first time, you must sign up with this platform. So I'm going to click. Alright, I'm going to sign in, login successful. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to the section where I have YouTube. So I'm going to come down to what? The AI title generator. So I'm going to click on AI title generator. I'm going to close up these ads. Alright, when I come into this, so the idea I actually have is the video I actually created, I intend giving that video a title called How to Create a YouTube Channel. So I'm going to type in how to create a YouTube channel, for free. So I'm going to test for other titles. Yeah, the AI is trying to get me some other titles. So I have a title like how to create a successful YouTube channel for free in just 5 easy steps. How to make your YouTube channel stand out from the crowd and become a success. How to start a YouTube channel for free in just a few seconds. How to create a successful YouTube channel in few short weeks. How to start a successful channel in just a few steps. So these are the different topics that the YouTube AI title generator has been able to generate based on the keyword that we added to it. So all you just need to do is to think of a particular one which you feel it's best for you. So I'm going to go with the first one, which says how to create a successful YouTube channel for free in just 5 easy steps. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to come into my YouTube. Sorry for that. I'm going to come into my YouTube. I'm going to go straight down to where we have the create. Now you can actually upload your video from here, or you come straight down here to click on upload video. So I will come straight down here. I'm going to click on upload video. So it's going to ask me to either drag and drop my video in here, but I computer. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open that. That's good. Alright, the video is actually uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to paste in the title I actually picked up from my YouTube AI title generator. Alright, so I'm going to come back here. The next thing I'm going to do is to write a good description for this video using same keyword that I have already chosen. So I'm going to be introducing you to another platform which is called Simplified. It's another very good platform that I'm going to be introducing you to. Alright, so on Simplified, all you just need to do is to come into your browser and type in Simplified, and it's going to open up this cool looking website for you. The next thing you're going to do is to sign up with the platform. Immediately sign up with the platform, it's going to bring you into the dashboard. Alright, what I want us to do here is to come here you're going to, when you sign up with this platform, you're going to bring you into this dashboard, and then you're going to see content writing, this section. All you just need to do, click on this arrow facing down, you see get started. So I'm going to click on get started. Automatically this page opens up. It says create a new document. I'm going to create a detailed video on how to use Simplified. So for now, I just wanted to follow up with what I'm actually doing. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I want to use this opportunity to remind you, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to drop comments at the end. Scroll to the end to my right hand side, then I'll see the video tab. I'll click on the video tab. Remember what we want to do, we want to generate. I'm going to come here. So I'll come straight down to Simplified. I want to do my YouTube video description. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to paste that title we actually generated. Remember, for this video, which is how to create a successful YouTube channel for free. So come straight down to Simplified. I'm going to click on generate. I'll click on generate. So I'll wait for you to come up with information. So you don't need to spend a lot of money to create a successful YouTube channel. In fact, you can do it for just $5. So I'm not comfortable with this, so I'm going to generate more descriptions. Can generate more descriptions. This video is perfect for anyone. I don't like this. I want to generate more. If you want to make a successful YouTube channel, this video is for you. In fact, I just want to I'll generate more of it. I'll generate, so it says you don't need any fancy. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. But don't worry, we have got covered in this video. We'll show you 5 steps to get your channel up and running without breaking the bank. From tips on video production to strategies for growing up your audience, this video has everything you need to get started with. So if you're cool with that, you can work with that. So I'm going to generate more. I'm still going to generate more of descriptions. I'm going to generate more descriptions. Alright, in this video I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel for free in just 5 steps in getting people who want to start their own channel but don't have the money invested. With these tips you will be able to get into. Alright, so I think I'm fine with this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this description. So let's go back. Oops. I think we're having some few issues with our video. So I will come back to the video. I will paste my description into my video and paste my description into my video. Remember our title. What was our title? Good. So I'm gonna come back. I did this title, sorry. Alright, so we have our video uploaded already. So the next thing we're going to be doing is, remember we said in our slide, we said first, good title, good video description. So we've been able to take care of the titles. We had to go to H Supertools, type in an idea of type in a keyword, and with the keyword where the YouTube AI title generator was able to generate 5 different titles, which we actually choose one of it, and then we brought it in into our YouTube, pasted the title here, then took the title again, came to Simplified, pasted the Simplified in the YouTube video description, and we were able to get different descriptions from all. We decided to copy this, and then we came back to our YouTube video we're creating. We pasted the title in here. Oops. Pasted the title in here, and then the next thing we're gonna look at is this. Note, for every title every video description you create, try as much as possible to make good sure that your title appears in your description. That is one trick I'm going to be giving to you. It helps your video rank well on YouTube, as one of the things that actually make your video rank well on YouTube. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is we'll show you 5 steps. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to copy this, come down here, click enter, come up and paste my video title. Alright, that's cool. Alright, that's fine. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is the thumbnail. The thumbnail. What is the essence of the thumbnail? We said the thumbnail is an attraction to a video. Come think of it. Let's liken a thumbnail to a video cassette. When we were busy buying CD plates from the market, when you get to the market, there's always a pack where the CD plate itself is being stored in. So that pack contains images of the actors or the names of the music or the titles of the music in that CD plate. So what attracts you to that CD is the pack. The pack contains the information that you're going to find on the CD. So the pack that covers the video you have on your YouTube is called your thumbnail. So you have to try as much as possible to get a very good thumbnail for your video. So I'm going to upload a thumbnail that I actually created for this. So I'm going to do something. So I'm going to be uploading the thumbnail to my video. I'll click on thumbnail. Alright. I need to refresh this page. So I'm going to be clicking this to upload the thumbnail that I actually designed on Canva. So I'm going to click in that. I'll come down to my downloads. I have a particular thumbnail that I actually created for this video. It says create your channel. Alright, so the thumbnail is going to be the cover page of my video. So it is very important you have a very good thumbnail on your video. So the next thing I must do, you must create a playlist for each video you create on YouTube. If I want to create videos on a particular topic, it is very important to create a playlist for that particular topic. Let's assume this has to do with YouTube creation, YouTube training, for example. So YouTube training. I'm going to click on create. So what I've done, I've actually created a playlist for this YouTube section. So I'm going to selecting this. I'm going to be adding this particular video to this playlist that I've created, YouTube training. So every training I have about YouTube is going to be added to this, such that when somebody stumbles into any of my videos about YouTube, the person has the opportunity of watching every of the series under the YouTube playlist. Alright, I hope that is fine. Now, you must declare whether your video is actually for kids or not for kids. You can look at it. The thumbnail is appearing on the video already. Alright, so this video is not for kids. So I'm going to be clicking on no, it's not made for kids. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on show more. Alright, here I'm going to be looking at promotions. In my next videos, I'm going to be explaining what this is all about. Alright, come down. The next part I'm going to be looking at is how to add my tags, and that's where I'm going to be stopping this video. Please, I need you to follow me in the next series. I'm going to be explaining how you can actually create good tags for your video. We're going to be continuing with this particular video in the next section. So please try as much as possible to click on the subscribe button. Try as much as possible to drop comments in the comment sections